In the sun-drenched courtyard, Mishu, a playful kitten, dances with boundless energy, chasing dust motes in the light. A ripe mango falls from the tree, interrupting Mishu's game. Mishu freezes, his eyes wide with a mix of curiosity and suspicion as he regards the fallen fruit. Mishu cautiously approaches the mango, sniffing and prodding it with his paw. I recoil slightly, as if expecting it to attack. Mishu gives the mango a shove, and it rolls across the ground. Mishu chases after it, his tail twitching, as if in pursuing a dangerous foe. The mango rolls into a bush, disappearing into the shadows. Mishu leaps into the bush, chasing after the mango. Meow, Mishu cries, jumping back out, eyes narrowed at the mango. Mishu glares at the mango, now seeing it as a true enemy. Mishu crouches beneath the mango tree, poised for attack. He leaps, ready to fight for the mango, but a leaf sticks to his face. This is even more dangerous, Mishu cries, unaware of the children's laughter. Grandmother shuffles into the courtyard, her face radiating a warm, inviting smile. Mishu, my dear, the mango isn't an enemy. It's a fruit. You eat it, you don't fight it. She cuts a slice of mango and offers it to Mishu. He hesitantly licks it, his eyes widening in surprise. Meow, it's sweet, Mishu exclaims, his eyes sparkling with delight.